Hello guys, welcome to InSpire Video Games YouTube channel. Today's unboxing, as you can see, is the Commodore Lightphaser C64 console, and I've also got the Magnum Lightphaser, which you can use with that. So if we start off with the Lightphaser, and then we'll move on to the Commodore in a sec. So I'm sorry, another thing I was going to say is I got these items from the same guy that I recently got a load of rare PC big box games from, and yeah, as you can see, he's really looked after his gear, because I mean this is 30 years old, this console. So yeah. Anyway, so let's move on. I'll start by opening this one up. Right, so open it up. And there you go. Oh, all the way around. Here we go. If I show you the box to start with, just so that you know, not everybody's familiar with the boxes, because usually you find them on eBay, but usually it's just the actual gun itself. So yeah, you just want to have a look at the box, and then the side there. That is basically it. Inside something rattling around. What we got? Oh yeah, another disc. Right. Okay, so we have disc 1 and then disc 2, because there's 6 free games with this gun, and I assume the games are obviously on these 2 floppy disks. It says C64 Lightphaser Action Pack Disc 2, and obviously you've got the disc 1 there. Oh, you've got a cassette in here as well. Yeah. So there we go. And obviously the gun, I mean look at that, I mean that is in, well, it doesn't actually look like it's been used, and I can get a close up of that. It's in lovely condition. Okay. I mean all these, anything that any videos I do on items, they all go on my eBay shop, so if you are interested in anything, you know, please do take a look on there. And as I say, I will put links to my eBay shop in the description below. I mean, so that is in great condition. There we go. So that's that. Right. So on to the big bit, the console. Let's get this. We can get this opened without ripping it too much. Okay, it'll be easier to leave it led down while I get the bits out. Okay, so the first bit we've got here is the data set unit. Again, I'll just show you a round box. There you go, and let's have a look inside. Okay, so yeah, it is literally just the actual data box with the styrofoam packing protection. Yeah, what I would say about these is, although they do, if you come in closer, you will see that they do look quite faded. I mean, this one is a little bit faded actually, but you know, this is quite close to the true colour of these. Originally, they did come out in this sort of almost yellowy colour. But yeah, again, it's in reasonable condition when you consider it's 30 years old. Let's put that. Actually, I'll just leave that rather than put it away. So what we got here? Okay, so the next thing we got is the games that are included. So if you look on the side of the box, this side, you can see the games there. I don't know if you want to come in a bit closer and just, you can see the games that are included within this pack. Okay, so again, the quick condition, really good. It looks like knocked to the corner there. But other than that, it's really good, really nice condition, and the manual is lovely condition. And then we've got 5 cassettes, so I assume one of them's got two. Yeah, the Spy, I don't know if you can see that, but the Spy one has got two tapes. The other three haven't got tape. I don't know if you want to just come back in and just see the actual, the other three games that haven't got tape 1, tape 2, so there's just one cassette. So that's the game. Let's just put that over that to the side. Okay, so what have we got next? Let's have a look. I'd say I haven't opened this at all since I bought it. So I mean, I genuinely do not know what was in the box. So anyway, let's have a look in here. So we've got the two controllers, two joystick controllers. Two of those. Again, you know, just to give you a look around them, they're in good, nice condition. I mean, we always have to bear in mind how old these things are. So you're going to find minor wear, but I mean, there's hardly any wear on these at all, to be honest. Right, okay, so inside we have. That should have gone with the gun. So that was obviously left in the console box. We've got the user manual for the console, and the Mindbenders box. I'll just scroll in and have a look around that. Got the not for sale retail sale on there, obviously because it came within the box. There you go, there's the manual, again in nice condition with four cassettes. There we go. Right, so that's that side. In here, let's have a look what we've got in here. Got lots of paperwork in here. Maybe a little bit OTT. Right, we got important notice there, some sort of return envelope. Looks like two manuals for the data cassette. I'm pretty sure they look the same. We've got another important notice that we should read. Some sort of advertisement leaflet. Yeah, it looks like it's an advertisement. For different games there. Look, I don't know if you can see that. And that's the other side. What else we got here? Yeah, another notice there. Another important notice there. We have a warranty claim card, and on the reverse side, you can see that there. Some sort of care warranty leaflet here. There you can win something, but I'm sure probably some poor chap still sat at his desk waiting for these to arrive maybe. Right, here we go. Let's have a look. What else we got? We got. It looks like this is probably where this was originally purchased from, which was Dixon's. Some sort of joint venture between Currys and Dixon's. We have. What's that? Another. It looks like some sort of another competition leaflet. Another looks like returns type envelope. And here we have a service and guarantee with the original receipt here. So let's have a look. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, so this was purchased on the 6th of December 1990. So yeah, it is 30 years old. Well, I think that's basically it. No, it's not. I've missed the main item. Let me just get this out. Right, okay, so there we go. We've got the, better not forget this. This is the obviously the main console, the main unit with the keyboard and what have you. So if you have a quick look at that, the condition of that. I mean, again, that is brilliant. I mean, they've got a few little tears and stuff, but I mean, again, you know, you need to think about the age of this thing. It's just unbelievable, really, the condition of it. Right, let's set that aside. We've got the original styrofoam inside, and you can see here the embossed logo on the styrofoam. Excuse my dog, sorry about that. Yeah, so, and inside, oh, I've taken that the wrong way. Inside, yeah, we have the console. Yeah, it looks like it needs a bit of a clean, to be honest, but overall, this is, I say, you know, you have to bear in mind the age of this. I mean, it's unbelievable. This was the first console that I was ever introduced to, actually, because I remember my dad buying one of these, not this particular pack, but this particular console, and I think actually he bought it for himself, but for some reason I did end up with it, and that's what got me into video gaming. So yeah, I thank him for that. So that, yeah, I think that's it. Please like our, if you can, like our video if you liked it, thumbs up. I'll put a link to our Facebook page and our eBay shop below, so if you want to subscribe to our Facebook page, please do. And as I say, all these things go on our eBay shop, so if you're ever interested in anything, yeah, go to our eBay shop and you will see these particular items. I think that's it. So yeah, no, thank you for watching the video, and see you soon.